Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. What if I told you that one simple sketch or idea could turn into a dozens of sellable designs in just minutes? And with that, you could make over $100 a day selling them. So just stick with me because in this video I will walk you through exactly how to do this for free step by step. First, let's talk about the potential. Selling designs online has become one of the most popular ways to make money from home because some people sell just the designs as digital downloads while others put those designs on physical product like t-shirts, mugs or stickers. Both approaches can be very profitable and the great part is you get to choose which part works best for you. Next, if you don't want to deal with inventory or shipping, print on demand is the perfect solution. You can simply upload your designs, choose the product that you want to sell, and once a customer places an order, the company handles printing, packing, and shipping for you. It's low risk, no upfront inventory, and great for beginners. Next, now let's create your first designs. Start with a concept. This could be a funny quote or a trending phrase or even a simple sketch. And then if you need inspirations, you can look at the at platforms like Etsy and then Pinterest and then Google Trends to see what's popular right now. And once you have your idea, you can bring it to life with a design tool. Some great options include like Canva AI, Midjourney, DALL-E, or even you can use Kiddo. This tool can instantly turn a short description or a rough sketch into a multiple polished designs in seconds. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional designer to create something that looks amazing. Next, after choosing your favorite designs, next step is mock-ups. Mock-ups are product previews that show your designs on real items like shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases. They make your store look professional and help convince people to buy. Tools like Printify and Gelato make this process super easy and completely free. Next steps is now it's time to sell. You can start by offering digital downloads of your designs or just put them on products through print on demand. Platforms like Platforms like Etsy are great for beginners because they already have millions of buyers looking for designs. Later, you can expand to Shopify or Redbubble or even Amazon Merch if you want to grow bigger. And next, to actually make sales, you will need traffic. Start with free methods like you can use Pinterest, that's perfect for visual shoppers, and then you can use TikToks to show your designs process in weeks, and then make fun videos, and then you can use Instagram to post mock-ups and reels to build your brand. The key is consistency, post regularly, and keep building momentum. And okay, that's it. You now know how to turn one idea into a real side hustle, making $100 a day using AI and print on demand. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching and see you.